So today we're going to be reading There's No Place Like Space by Dr. Seuss. I'm the cat in the hat, and we're off to have fun. We'll visit the planets, the stars, and the sun. There is no place like space. I will prove it to you. Your mother will not mind at all if I do. The planets in our solar system. There are 8 of these planets that circle the sun, and soon you'll be able to name every one. Look at, since we're learning about shapes. Here's a triangle I found, a circle, another circle. Mercury is close to the sun's burning light. It is hot in the daytime, but freezing at night. So this is Mercury. And it's very close to the sun. On Venus, the weather is always the same, hot, dry, and windy, with no chance of rain. It says, today's weather on Venus, really, really hot, nearly 900 degrees, windy and dry. Can you guess the next planet? Well, here is a clue. It is my home and home to thing 1 and thing 2. You have been living on it each day since your birth. It is third from the sun. It is our planet. Ooh, I wonder what it is. It's Earth! It spins all the time, round and round like a top. It turns once every day, and it never will stop. This question had thing 1 and thing 2 in a tizzy. If Earth's always spinning, why don't we feel dizzy? We don't feel the Earth as it spins on its way, 'cause we're spinning right with it, right now, every day. Next, here is Mars. It's the color of rust. We sneeze here because it is covered with dust. Travel to Jupiter and you will find it is bigger than all other planets combined. Ooh. Saturn has rings. It's so light, who would think? It could float in an ocean and not even sink. A planet can have satellites that surround it. Uranus has lots of these objects around it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are colors in space. I will show some to you. Neptune, planet 8, is a beautiful blue. We have seen all the planets. Now here's a trick to remember their names, and remember them quick. So it says Mallory, Mercury, Valerie, Venus, Emily, Earth, Michael's, Mars, Just, Jupiter, Saved, Saturn, Up, Uranus, 999 nickels, Neptune. So you'll Mallory, Valerie, Emily, Michael's, just saved up 999 nickels. And that is a way to remember the planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus. The first letter of each of these words is the same as the first letter in each of the planets you name. Now here's a game you can play in the skies. Connect all the stars you can see with your eyes. Ooh. It's star dot to dot. Use your imagination and you'll see big pictures we call constellations. So this person made a great dog, great bear, Orion, the bull, ooh, a lion. A star in the sky may look small like a dot, but it's really a big glowing ball and it's hot. And there's one star by far that's our favorite one. We can't live without it, and that star is called the sun. From Earth it looks big. There's one reason why it's the closest to Earth of the stars in the sky, but be careful and never look right at the sun. Your eyes would get hurt and that would not be very fun. How big is the sun? We just heard right this minute 1 million. of our Earths could all fit right in it. So 1,000,000 Earths can fit into the sun. Oh, look at the time. We must go very soon. But first we must take a quick look at the moon. The moon does not shine in the sky in the night, but like a big mirror reflects the sun's light. So the moon reflects the sun. Astronauts flew to the moon to explore a place no one had ever been before. They walked on the moon and then drove all over in a special moon car called a lunar rover. A special moon car. An astronomer studies what's up in the sky. Thing 2 wants to be one. In fact, so do I. The universe is a mysterious place. We are only just learning what happens in space. So I brought you a present. Just look in the sky. Just put this telescope up to your eye. Oh dear, I must go. Fly back up to the stars and take things 1 and 2 out to dinner on Mars. But there's lots to discover, and it might be you who looks up in the sky and finds something that's new. The end. Right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this book about the planets.